So welcome students. In this question, given that f is a differentiable function and f of 0 is minus 1, f dash of 0 is 1 and g of x is this function, you're asked to find g dash of 0 in a very straightforward question based on your understanding of chain rule. So what is g dash of x? So g dash of x is, first g of x is something whole square. So g dash of x is 2 times something. So 2 times something into something differentiation. So you have to differentiate this. Again, this is f of something. So this is f dash of 2 times f of x plus 2 times 2 times f of x plus 2's differentiation is 2 times f dash of x. So this is the total differentiation of g of x. So something square 2 times something, f of something, f dash of something into something's differentiation is 2 times f dash of x. Now I want g dash of 0. That is, you just need to put x is equal to 0. 2 times f of, if you put x is equal to 0, f of 0 is minus 1. So this is minus 2 plus 2 is again f of 0 into f dash of, just need to put x is equal to minus 1. So minus 2 plus 2 is again 0. F of 0 into f dash of 0 into 2 times again f dash of 0. That is equal to 2 into 2, 4 times f of 0 is minus 1 into f dash of 0 whole square. F dash of 0 is 1 square. That is equal to minus 4. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.